Here's a holiday smoothie that will rival any of your favorite eggnogs. This one's a winner. I'm Nora Day. Okay, everybody, this is a really great smoothie, and the reason it's so unique is because we put peanut butter in this smoothie. And guess what? We're gonna make our homemade peanut butter. It's so easy, you won't believe it. We have this twister jar. This twister jar is a miracle to make peanut butter or nut butters of any kind. Almond butter, hazelnut butter, macadamia nut butter, Brazil nut butter, anything you want. This inside insert here, when you put it in and you move it around, it totally scrapes the sides. That means that it's making it all creamy and good really fast. So within about 30 seconds, we're gonna have incredible peanut butter. I use 16 ounces. These are dry, roasted, organic, no salt peanuts. You wanna put in the insert first. The biggest trick to this is you have to turn counterclockwise. So we put it on the blender. Make sure it's nice and secure. I'm going to put on the setting of dips because dips are a little heavier. So here we go for 30 seconds. You ready? All right, we should be done. Let's see. Ooh. Wow. Okay, we're gonna give this a try. So you notice I added no oil, no sugar, no nothing. It's totally plain peanuts. I'm gonna take a little try. Oh. Okay. This tastes like it just came out of the oven, if that even makes sense, but it tastes like it's so fresh. So we're gonna set this aside. So I'm gonna take my other blender top. So I have my homemade hazelnut milk. If you go to yoginora.com, you will learn how to make this homemade hazelnut milk. It's super easy. Have a great video on that. We're gonna put 1.5 cups of hazelnut milk. So here's my 1/2 cup. Ooh, look how fresh that is. Since all of these things are really easy to make, I really recommend that you make them so you have no additives, no preservatives. It's the pure, clean milk. There's nothing else in here. So to make this holiday, I'm adding some extra spices. So I'm adding a teaspoon of cinnamon. And believe it or not, I have found a great new spice. Some of you probably already know it, but I've never used it before. But now I love it. It's the pumpkin spice. So the pumpkin spice has 3 ingredients in it. It has clove, nutmeg, and cinnamon. So I like to add, of course, a little extra cinnamon, but this is really a great, easy, all-around pumpkin holiday spice. So I'm doing a whole tablespoon of this spice in here. I'm also using a whole banana. Adding my banana. If you like it even creamier, a frozen banana will make this smoothie even creamier, okay? To add a little sweetness for me, I'm using coconut nectar. So the coconut nectar is like a maple syrup or a molasses syrup. It's a little heavier, but it's all from coconut. So I'm using a teaspoon of my coconut nectar, just for a little sweetness. And as you can see, it's a little heavy, a little thick. To make this unique and special, I'm using a full tablespoon of my homemade peanut butter. And you know, my tablespoon is gonna be a little heaping. Woo! So we have a heaping tablespoon of peanut butter. So this combination of the peanut butter with the banana, you've probably heard before. But when you add these spices, it really tastes like a holiday treat. Let's blend this baby up and see what we get. About 30 to 45 seconds, it's done. Blend it up. It's rich, thick. That peanut butter makes it nice and thick. So let's try our holiday smoothie. Woo! Oh my gosh. It's almost like a pumpkin pie with peanut butter. That's pretty great. This is excellent. It's quick, it's easy, it's homemade. Enjoy it, everybody.